Today we will make English tenses simple and clear for beginners and advanced learners.
We will explain the main idea of each tense, give easy examples, and show quick signals to remember.
Present simple shows habits and facts. Use the base verb. Add s or es for he, she, it. Example: I walk to school. He walks to school.
Present continuous shows actions happening now or temporary plans. Use am, is, are plus verb ing. Example: I am learning English. She is cooking.
Present perfect connects past with now. Use have or has plus past participle. Example: I have finished my work. He has seen that film.
Present perfect continuous shows how long something has been happening. Use have, has been, plus verbing. Example: I have been studying for 2 hours.
Past simple describes finished actions in the past. Use the past form or verb plus ed. Example: I visited my friend yesterday.
Past continuous describes background actions or things in progress at a time in the past. Use was, where, plus verb ing. Example: I was reading when the phone rang.
Past perfect shows an action before another past action. Use had plus past participle. Example: she had left before I arrived.
Past perfect continuous focuses on duration before a past event. Use had been plus verbing. Example: they had been waiting for an hour.
Future simple uses will for promises, quick decisions, and predictions. Use will plus base verb. Example: I will help you.
Going to is used for planned actions or intentions. Example: I am going to start a course next week.
Future continuous shows an action in progress at a future time. Use will be plus verb ing. Example: at 8, I will be studying.
Future perfect shows an action finished before a future time. Use will have plus past participle. Example: by Friday, I will have finished the project.
Future perfect continuous shows duration up to a future point. Use will have been plus verbing. Example: by noon, she will have been working for 3 hours.
Simple signals help. Always, usually, every day for present simple. Now at the moment for present continuous. Since for already for present perfect.
More signals. Yesterday. Last week for past simple. While, when for past continuous. By the time and before for past perfect.
And for future tenses. Will and tomorrow for future simple. At this time tomorrow for future continuous. By and before for future perfect.
Common mistakes are easy to fix. Remember S for third person singular in present simple. Use the correct past form in past simple. Do not mix had with will.
Practice with short sentences. Make a daily mini story. What you do, what you are doing, what you have done, and what you will do. This builds habit and confidence.
Use time words to guide you. If you see since or for, think perfect. If you see now or today, think continuous. If you see yesterday or last, think simple past.
Try writing 10 lines about your day using different tenses. Speak them aloud. Repeat often and the forms become natural.
At the start, we said we would make tenses simple from beginner to advanced. We explained 12 key tenses with forms and easy examples.
We also gave signal words, common mistakes, and a practice idea. Now you can recognize and use each tense with more confidence. Thank you for watching Grammar with Altaf.
Here is a simple method to learn fast. Group tenses into present, past, and future. Then learn simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous in each group. Draw a timeline and place short example sentences on it. Make a mini story about your day. Say what you do every morning, what you are doing now, what you have done recently, and what you will do tomorrow. Practice converting one sentence across tenses. For example, start with I eat an apple and change it step by step into other tenses. Small repeated practice helps memory.
Do not worry about mistakes. They are part of learning. Listen to short clips, read simple paragraphs, and underline time words to spot tenses. Use flashcards for verb forms, base, past, past participle, and ing form. Set a small goal to use one new tense in speech each week. Review the signal words we discussed and correct common errors. To finish, we learned how each of the 12 tenses works, the forms to make them, key time words, common mistakes, and simple practice steps. Keep practicing daily and keep a notebook. Write new sentences every day. It really helps. You will improve very quickly.